guys, as you can see, we're literally driving in a rainstorm for Starbucks. Hey followers, fans, and foodies.
Everybody here wants you, my love, my love.
It's a tornado out here, and I'm literally driving in the midst of the storm just to go to Starbucks.
I need a,
So foodies, we made it inside Starbucks. I didn't get too wet, but I am a little wet. As you guys know, we traveled through the storm, through the rain, all from Starbucks. So I did make it inside, and now I'm gonna order my drink. Can I get a grande iced chai with coconut milk? So foodies, I got my drink from Starbucks. I made it to Starbucks in the rain. As all my friends say, I literally did the most for Starbucks. So my drink today is a chai tea latte. I am a vegan, so you guys know going to Starbucks is very convenient for all the vegans out there. All you have to do is substitute the milk with the soy milk and almond milk, or personally my favorite, coconut milk. So my drink today is a chai tea latte with coconut milk. Cheers.